SimplySimpleStamping.com here with another 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Today I want to share with you how to create your own wooden elements for your cards, and we're going to do that using any of your favorite Big Shot framelits. I'm going to be using the detailed deer, but I thought this was such a great look on a Christmas card, and I want you to see, I don't know if you can hear that, it has almost a feel of wood. Got a little thickness to it. Let me show you how to create these. Guys, I simply used our Wood Texture Designer Series paper. The wood look, these are photographs of wood, so it's going to have a very realistic wood look. Now, I'm going to begin with a piece of 3.5 by 3.5 cardstock, and then I have some of our adhesive sheets, 3.5 by 3.5. I've adhered the one end. I can now peel off the backing on the back side. And before you adhere this, you see we have two different sides to our designer series paper. Pick the side that you want. I really like that little bit of detail there, so I'm going to go with that side. All right, I've got that on one of my cutting plates here on my Big Shot. You notice I've got it centered. I'm going to attempt a little fun card when I'm done with this video and see if I can use that as a backing piece. So let me go ahead and place my cutting plate on here. We're going to run this through the Big Shot 3 or 4 times. There we go. You can see I have a little more sturdy image than if I had just done it in designer series paper. I have some dimensionals here on the back. I said I wanted to create a card, and I did. I just covered that area that I die cut with a piece of Subtles Embossed, very vanilla. You can see I have my dimensionals there on the back of my reindeer. I added that. And from that stamp set, that bundle, there is a many merry thanks. Guys, that is a great way to just kind of add that look of wood. Very lightweight, but what an awesome way to use that Wood Textures Designer Series paper. Well, remember, you can do this with any die cut you have. So create. Go have some fun. Guys, thanks for being here. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.